If you're watching this video, that means you subscribe. If you're not subscribed, you should probably subscribe to your boy, LSJ254, man. And remember, use that code LSCR10 for 10% off that Grant Paint and Coatings. Oh my clear, because when you see it, it's going to make you say, oh my God. Grant Paint Coatings at Buy Custom Paint on Instagram. 10% off using the code LSCR10. Tell them LS254 sent you. Gone.
Hey, I be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey. My seven. I'm gripping in my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
Alright, so we got it illuminated down there some. Let's see. I'm trying to see if I can get y'all in there close enough to where you can see. Took that spark plug root off so you can have a little bit better chance of seeing. But it's right down off in there. Kind of next to the starter is the hole for where that goes. So let's see what happens. Alright, so if you're looking at the two tubes side by side, this one I did have to kind of unbend it some so that it would kind of sit right. With those headers on there, I'm saying there may have to be some modification needed, but as you can see, they are like two complete opposites. Also with the dipstick, let's grab the other one. Another reason that you might want to, get this, if your seals are leaking, there's a seal right here, and there is a seal right here. So if you have an oil leak and not exactly sure where it's coming from, that might be your issue. We got a new one right there. So let me get this installed and show y'all. Like I said, ring to ring, there is a significant ring to ring. It's a significant shortage difference, so hopefully we're gonna be good on that. So let's find out. Alright, so with our new dipstick and tube, see where we're sitting at. I do have to get a bolt for that. Let me get this push down off in there. Hold on. Alright, so new dipstick tube in here. It sits significantly lower. Once it's bolted in, it'll probably sit back about right there. But it should be good. As far as oil, we just need to know that there's oil in there. That's all. Make sure we got enough oil. Alright, y'all, well, it's your boy, LSJ254, man. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity, procrastination, and remember that the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Go.